Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pete, French teacher. This video is for class 6, reteaching of the grammar topic. So let's begin. Okay, now students, this is the paper I had given you last week. So we will be solving the paper over here. Mettez le bon article indéfini. Now indéfini articles are the indefinite articles, that is a, un and they. A for masculine singular, un for feminine singular, and they for masculine feminine plural. So here un fleur, because fleur being feminine, un glace, un table, un lit, une robe, une règle, des pommes. Now why it is des pommes? Because it's a, over here the poem is given as plural, pommes, so it is des. Une cravate, un oiseau, it's a masculine. For you all to tell you, when you have to means there is a trick to know how to memorize the words or the nouns that are masculine or feminine. Now whenever you find eau word, that is always masculine in nature, so that will be masculine singular. It is a, un oiseau, des cahiers, because again plural, CAIECHIERS. Next question is mettez avec les pronoms sujets, that is the subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Je for I, you, tu for you, singular, il for he, elle for she, nous for we, vous for plural as well as a formal way to say you, ils for masculine plural, ELLES for feminine plural. So now you have to put here the pronoun sujet, that is the subject pronoun. Je suis beau. Now since it is a être verb, so the subject pronoun over here will be je suis. Priya et Shreya dash saw and the end. Now Priya and Shreya. Now here these are two female. So what will be the subject pronoun put over here? It is ELLES, since they are in plural. Dash et on CZM. Now et is the conjugation for the être verb. You have to know where do we put this verb conjugation for vous form, VOUS. Dash a mass. ES is for tu, TU. Tu a mass. EST bell. Now EST is for masculine singular as well as for feminine singular, but you have to know, since the adjective over here is belle, that means beautiful for girl, so that answer will be ELLE. Okay. Now trouver les phrases, you have to find out the sentence in this. Je habite or je France. Now for this you have to always remember, you should be going for the subject first, then the verb, then whatsoever the sentence flows off. Clear? For example, over here J is the subject, so after that there is an verb habit, so your answer will be J, j'habite, because habit H is a silent verb, so and it is followed by a vowel, so it is J apostrophe, so it becomes j'habite en France, I live in France. Et intelligent, l'étudiant. Now what is the subject here? L'étudiant, the student. Then comes the verb, that is EST and intelligent. L'étudiant est intelligent. Va, ça, como. So como ça va. Como ça va is how are you. Mettez au pluriel. Now change this into plural. How are you going to put this into plural? C'est un garçon. Now say meaning this is. You have to put this into plural. So EST plural become SONT. So answer is saw, SCE, saw. As you know, is the masculine singular of the indefinite article, so the plural will be DES, and garçon you have to put with S extra. So what is the answer here? Ce sont des garçons with S. Il est mauvais, il become ILS, so il verb will be saw. Ils sont mauvais, there will be no change in MAUVAIS, because both are same for singular as well as for plural. Tu a bow. Tu plural is vous. A becomes the ethro of woo become etes. Woos et bow. Now beau, it's again a masculine. You have to put this into plural form. It becomes beaux. Okay, so answer here is woos et bow. Écrivez le contraire, that is write the opposite of. Grand is petit, P-E-T-I-T. Sympathique is antipathique, A-N-T-I-P-A-T-H-I-Q-U-E. That means friendly, unfriendly. Gros is mass. Gros is fat. Mass is thin. M-I-N-C-E. Laid is ugly. And the beautiful, B-E-L-L-E over here, because L-A-I-D-E. This adjective is in the feminine form. So the answer will be also in the feminine, that is B-E-L-L-E. Next is remplacer les blancs avec les verbes être. Now, as we have done with the être verb, that is to be. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now over here, nous sommes en sixième, we are in sixth. Shikha, L-A and the N, meaning she is Indian, E-S-T is the answer. Mina et Rucha, elles sont grandes. Since they are in feminine form, elles sont, S-O-N-T, sont, they are tall. Ils sont, S-O-N-T again, because it is in